Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage, welcome back to the channel, and back to a little bit of a different format of my normal videos. If you didn't catch the last one, this one is a little bit of an extension to my last video, so just go on ahead and go watch that one and come on back over here. And when you do, be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button down below. So the thumbnail probably caught your attention. Well, I started it in this business at the very ground level. I was working night shift on the weekends next to the Los Angeles Aqueduct in Pico Rivera, California, freezing my butt off at night, changing oil. And after 25 years, well, long before 25 years, I became partner in what is one of the largest heavy collision complexity repair facilities in the United States. No longer part of that, as I sold my interest to it and I moved, but that was my path. Now, I didn't go to technical schools and I didn't go to college, so I'm just giving you some behind the scenes advice that probably a lot of people haven't told you on how to break into this industry and do it without investing a lot of money and get all your schooling on the job. And the place you're going to do that is in a major dealership franchise, whether it's Chevrolet, whether it be Ford, whether it be the heavy truck market, the medium duty truck market, Toyota dealerships. It doesn't matter as long as it is a dealership that is backed by the manufacturer. And here's the key reason for that. If you want to get started in this industry, you may have to start at the very bottom level. And the most important tool that you're ever going to learn how to use inside the dealership that you'll take along with you throughout your whole journey if you stay in this line of business, I'm going to show it to you. It's the most important tool that you're going to learn within a dealership, and that's to keep it clean. Customers don't mind paying your labor rates when you have a nice, clean shop. Makes it safer, it keeps your costs down. On top of that, it presents well, and customers like a shop that looks nice. And if you have a collision center, the insurance adjusters greatly appreciate a clean shop, and they typically won't give you a lot of hassle about your written estimates. But that's not all of it. The point I'm making is you can start doing janitorial work. You can start doing dealership maintenance. And in very short order, because dealerships need technicians, you're going to graduate to the next step, which would maybe be, from doing maintenance or washing cars or being a lot porter or something like that to moving into the lube bay. Spend a few months in the lube bay and you move on to doing brakes or something like that, or maybe even air conditioning. A lot of people don't know is large franchises have in-house training. You can do in-house training. The dealerships that I worked for had staff that were factory trained, technicians that worked within the facility as trainers. You would go to work some days and some of your days would all be classrooms. Here's another key side to a dealership, and a lot of people speak badly about this. They talk about flat rate or piecework. Well, when you're an apprentice, you're on an hourly rate. You can't expect a guy that doesn't know the industry to come in and be able to meet book time. He's got to learn it over time. And you can typically start at an apprentice program. Dealerships are always thinking of new ways to bring talent to it. And one of the things we did within our dealership, and it spread throughout the country, is we started apprenticeship toolbox programs. So we had a toolbox that was all set, ready to go, completely stocked, that after a year, that toolbox was yours. But you had to complete a year. So if you happen to be looking at one of those schools or the technical colleges or something along those lines, maybe just go on down to the dealership, see the service manager, introduce yourself, and tell them you want to learn the automotive side of the business and you're willing to start at the bottom. Hope that helped. Leave a comment down below. See you guys on the next one.